In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bleach Soul Resonance not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways what we can try to fix this. So first way is to fix the app cache. So click and hold down the app, click onto I. Then from here, you want to scroll down, click on the storage, and then clear cache. Now the next fix is to update or reinstall the app. So go to your player app store, search for Bleach Soul Resonance, and if it says update, go ahead and update. Now if you're using any VPNs, go ahead and disable any running VPNs, because that can make Bleach Soul Resonance not work properly or won't log in. Now the next fix is to go to a web browser and then type in Bleach Soul Resonance, and then from there type in server status or something similar and then hit enter. And then from here we can go ahead and check out if there's any outages for Bleach Soul Resonance. You can even go to their social media site or their website to see if there's any downtime, and if there is, there's nothing you can do. You just got to simply wait it out.